Statistics Basics. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics consist of methods for organizing and summarizing information. Descriptive statistics includes the construction of graphs, charts, and tables, and the calculation of various descriptive measures, such as averages, measures of variation, and percentiles. Population and sample. Population, the collection of all individuals or items under consideration in a statistical study. For example, we could have the people in an office. Sample, the part of the population from which information is obtained. So the sample could be 3 people from that office. Relationship between population and sample. In this case, our population is in a square and represented by black dots. We have maybe 20 of them. The sample is in a square, and it is 4 of the black dots that represent our population. The sample is drawn from the population. In this example, identify the population and the sample. When 2,381 American households were surveyed, it was found that 62% of them owned 2 cars. In this example, American households were surveyed, so our population is the collection of all American households. In this example, they didn't talk to everyone in the American households. They only talked to 2,381. So our sample is the collection of 2,381 American households surveyed. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics consist of methods for drawing and measuring the reliability of conclusions about a population based on information obtained from a sample of the population. So let's say that the 3 people that we chose from the office were surveyed to see if they preferred Coke products or Pepsi products in the vending machines. Then we will make an inference about the maybe 10 people who work in the office based on the results of that survey. In this example, is the following study descriptive or inferential? In a statistical magazine, average professional athlete salaries in 3 sports were compiled and compared for the years 1993 and 2003. The average salary was in thousands of dollars. For Sport A, 1993, $1,039. In 2003, $2,381. For Sport B, in 1993, $1,363. And in 2003, $3,972. For Sport C, $678. In 1993, and $1,297 in 2003. Since the table represents data collected in 1993 and in 2003, the following study is descriptive. In this example, identify whether the statement describes inferential statistics or descriptive statistics. The table shows the average income by age group for the residents of one town in the year 2008. The average incomes for each age group are estimates based on a sample size of 100 from each group. Our first age group is 18 to 24, and their average income was $17,180. The next age group was 25 to 39. Their average income was $26,661. The next age group was 40 to 54, and their average income was $32,471. The next age group was 55 to 70, and their average income was $25,960. The last age group over 70 was $18,241. Because the average income for each age group are estimates, we know that we have inferential statistics. Example: in what way are inferential statistics and descriptive statistics involved in this example? A researcher randomly selects a sample of 250 students from the students enrolled at a particular college. She asks each student his age and calculates the mean age of the 250 students. It is 20.7 years. Based on this sample, she then estimates that the mean age of all students enrolled at the college to be 20.7 years. The way that the descriptive statistics are involved is that the researcher randomly selects a sample of 250 students and calculates the mean age. So the descriptive statistics are the researcher calculated the mean age of the students in the sample. Then it says, based on the sample, she estimates the mean age of all students enrolled at the college. So the inferential statistics are that the researcher estimated the mean age of all students at the college. Observational studies and designed experiments. Observational study: researchers observe characteristics and make measurements. Designed experiment: researchers impose treatments and controls and then observe characteristics and take measurements. Observational studies can reveal only association, whereas designed experiments can help establish causation. Example: identify the study as an observational study or a designed experiment. At one hospital in 1992, 547 women were diagnosed with breast cancer. 5 years later, 87% of the Caucasian women and 84% of the African American women are still alive. This study is an observational study because they observed the results. Example: identify the study as an observational study or a designed experiment. A clinic gives a drug to a group of 20 patients and a placebo to another group of 20 patients to find out if the drug has an effect on the patient's illness. This is a designed experiment because they decided to give the drug to 20 patients while a placebo to the other 20 patients. To recap the section: Statistics Basics. Descriptive statistics consist of methods for organizing and summarizing information. Population and sample. A sample is a part of the population. Inferential statistics consist of methods for drawing and measuring the reliability of conclusions about a population. Observational studies. Researchers observe characteristics and make measurements. Designed experiments. Researchers impose treatments and controls, then observe characteristics and take measurements.